Again, the best thing you can do is teach yourself skills, right? I'll tell you a story. I went to the farm for New Year's and I learned how to open a coconut with a hand, like a machete. And it's not as easy as it seems, but there's a technique to it, right? You hit it with the weight of the tip of the machete, it sticks in, you grab it from the back and you use leverage to pop open a coconut. And you're doing that again and again and you're getting the husk off. Eventually you get to the point that you have a coconut. You can open a coconut. Now imagine the world melts, whatever, and I have to go and find water. And there's a coconut and the water's inside the coconut and delicious coconut meat with a coconut heart is inside. A lot of people don't even know that there's a coconut heart inside of a coconut. If you're wondering what that is, open a coconut, a sprouting coconut. Now I know how to do it. I know the skill of opening a coconut in Bali. That goes a long way, right? I know the skill of building businesses. I know the skill of looking at things. I know the skill of, understanding the digital space. I taught myself hundreds and hundreds of skills and got to a point where no matter what happens in the world, I always have a skill that I can use to be able to deploy. Do the same thing, and if you're watching this, you're like, man, I'm tired. I work 8 hours a day. What do you want me to do? Spend the other 8 hours learning skills? Yeah, that's what I want you to do. I don't want you to do anything. It's your call. Do whatever you want. The solution is, if you teach yourself skills, nobody can ever take that from you, right? If you really want to prosper in this future, teach yourself the future, okay?